Diwali is around the corner and so many other festivals. क्या फेस्टिव टिप्स हैं जो आप हमारी ऑडियंस को दे सकते हो? लाइक की फेस्टिव हैक्स, trends this year? How can they look glamorous, effortlessly?
Number one, ditch those long anarkalis gowns. They are very done with. हो चुका है. In fact, experiment with patiala pants which are coming in. Afghani pants with short kurtis.
Okay.
And you can also stop those broad and short plazos that we used to wear. Rather now structured, or let's call it slimmer trouser fit pants look better. You can add collars to your outfits now. If you don't want to add dupattas, which most of us don't these days because we want to have fusion wear.
Yes.
हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेडिशनल नहीं जाते आजकल. इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक ज़्यादा है तो कॉलर्स ऐड करो. हैव सम नाइस डिटेलिंग इन योर स्लीव्स. अ लिटिल बेल इन योर स्लीव्स दीज डेज लुक गुड. Then sleeves with very broad borders. They look good. In fact, short kurtis are coming back. So patiala pants and Afghani pants are very in. What is out is anarkalis, floor length, those broad plazo pants, tulip pants, वो जो धोती pants होते थे. Avoid all these. वो सब हो चुका है. So try experimenting with the new cuts, what I just told, and also you can try experiment with blazer suits. These days, very Indianized versions of blazer suits are coming in, which gives a very modern and Indo-Western look. And bright colors are in again.
Okay.
Bright colors are in. So, like I said, outfit पे attention देना है तो accessorize को कम करो, makeup को कम करो, and outfit को enhance करो. Also, one more trend that is really going on, which I see a lot of people, especially the youngsters wearing, is स्कर्ट्स के साथ या लहंगा के साथ बेसिक टी शर्ट जैसा टॉप पहनते हैं. स्लीवलेस भी हो सकता है, विद स्लीव्स भी हो सकता है. वेरी बेसिक, सिंपल, नो प्रिंट, नो एम्ब्रॉयडरी, नथिंग. बट उसके साथ जो दुपट्टा होता है ना, वो बिल्कुल हैवी दुपट्टा नहीं होता है जैसे इंडियन दुपट्टाज होते हैं. दे आर मोर लाइक वेस्टर्न स्कार्फ्स, बिल्कुल पतला सा अराउंड द नेक स्टोल जैसे पहनते हैं. दैट ऑल्सो लुक्स वेरी गुड, वेरी एलिगेंट एंड क्लासी, एंड इट गिव्स अ वेरी डेलिकेट ग्रेस. वो स्टोल इतना पतले फैब्रिक का होता है और शॉर्ट सा होता है ना कि दैट इटसेल्फ इज एन एक्सेसरी आल्सो एंड दुपट्टा आल्सो.
और बहुत एफर्टलेस
dressing and minimalistic
also. Entire podcast from the first line till the end, there was so much information, so much knowledgeable, and मतलब enhance करेगा किसी की भी लुक को अगर ये सब चीज़ें कोई फॉलो करता है तो, कॉन्फिडेंस को, अपीयरेंस को. एंड आई पर्सनली बिलीव कि ये सारी चीज़ें आपको लाइफ में आगे लेके जाती हैं.
या एंड आई जस्ट होप कि जो भी ये देख रहा हो कुछ अप्लाई करे, सीखे और एक्चुअली क्वालिटी लाए अपनी ड्रेसिंग में, जिससे ड्रेसिंग में क्वालिटी आएगी, कॉन्फिडेंस में ग्रोथ होगा, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली योर लाइफ becomes very qualitative. लाइफ में एक ग्रोथ दिखता है, वो हर एरिया में रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा.
Exactly. Any message you would like to give to those people who have body image issues or who feel कि यार मैं तो अच्छी नहीं दिखती हूँ या अच्छा नहीं दिखता हूँ और उसकी वजह से they lack confidence in their life?
We all say that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder and beauty is skin deep, but let me tell you, ये भी बोलते हैं कि do not judge a book by its cover. But when was the last time you picked a book with a blank cover or without reading anything, any content at the back, right? So try to have an interesting cover on your book because you have a wonderful story to share.
Right.
So try to just enhance your outer image by working and putting efforts into your clothing, into your image, your grooming, body language, everything.
Yeah.
And see how very well people will receive and share your story as well. So make your story as beautiful and inspiring as you can.
I used to believe in the same phenomena as you said कि नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता था या मुझे लगता था कि I cannot look great, मुझे आता नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं है, मेरे पे सूट नहीं करता. But when I started taking my look seriously कि मुझे I want to dress nicely, look nice, more than anything else, I think it boosted my confidence.
Yes.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मेरा मूड अच्छा होता है. सो मेरी फ्रेंड ने एक बार मुझे कहा था एंड इट रियली स्टेड विद मी. शी सेड कि जब मैं बहुत सैड फील कर रही होती हूँ, मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती, मेरा मूड ठीक नहीं होता, आई ड्रेस अप.
Yes.
I do the makeup and I start feeling good. मैंने उसको फॉलो किया एंड इट रियली वर्क्स.
It works because there is a science. I have a couple of friends who are into therapists. So usually मुझे जो मेरी friends बोलती है कि first thing, if you're feeling low, first remedy that they tell you is wear brighter colors. Suddenly आप देखोगे again color psychology, आपका mood shift हो जाता है. You start feeling little better. And for women, wear lipsticks, preferably brighter colors.
You'll start feeling better.
You start feeling better because the colors are at
Yes.
play. They are somehow playing with your psychology at that time. So this is a small tip, but it does work.
Yeah.
तो the whole point being कि जब आप अपने आप पे work करोगे, start from outside with your clothing, your image, it will work inside.
Very
In
true.
terms of your confidence, in terms of your self-esteem, self-worth, वो सब भी बढ़ेगा. And how you take yourself, others will take you same way.
Same way, right.
If you love yourself, others will love you. If you think you are good looking or you're working towards looking good, others will also work
Yes.
and reflect the same that you are good looking.
Yes, yes.
And we believe in it.
Yeah, this is also a psychology. People
Yes.
dress according to how they feel about themselves.
Yes.
When they feel basic, they dress basic. When they
Yes.
feel like a leader, they dress like a leader.
Exactly. And actually it goes reverse. When you dress like a leader,
Yeah,
that is when you behave like a leader.
absolutely. Very true.
So try to always get there where your goal is. उसको पहले से अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर दो अपनी बॉडी पे. वो गोल automatically will happen.
Will happen. It's a form of manifestation.
It
also.
is kind of that.
You're manifesting the life you want to live in
हाँ.
by behaving like
Exactly.
you're already living in that.
And that starts with your clothing first. You're
Absolutely.
reflecting that image, what you want to have a few years or a few months later.
Very true. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure talking to you. And
Same
it was
here.
a great time.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस क्लिप. अगर आप इस पूरे एपिसोड का फायदा लेना चाहते हैं तो आप गुंजन शाउट्स पे जाकर इसे देख सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है.